G'day everyone, it's Chris O. I'm starting another bathroom now. The owner is a commercial waterproofer, so he's waterproofed it himself. I'm going up to the ceiling. It's going to be a vanity there, freestanding bath under the window, and there is the toilet area. I'm about to start screeding this floor. What I'm going to be doing is laying out my pads. Today I'll just be screeding it because it's a fairly large bathroom. I usually lay and screed at the same time, but this is a bit big to do that by myself all in one day. Okay, we'll see you soon. I'll set up these pads and I'll show you how I do it. See ya, bye.